And there it is, a little over 43 feet. Let's show you how quickly the laser works. Let's now try the DeWalt laser measure. Bring it over here, press it a second time. 4 feet gives you 181.74 square feet. Quick and easy, no math needed. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. In this quick 5-minute segment, we are going to review a laser distance measure. We have this amazing little cheap device that will replace your tape measure when you're measuring for things such as flooring, for tile jobs within a large area. It is also good for crown molding, baseboard, but specifically in this video, it's great for tile. You show up to a customer's house with a tape measure. You're trying to measure square footage for flooring. There is a lot of furniture in the way, makes it difficult to pull your measurements. This can be measured at any height from one wall to another, and we'll show you how that works. Also, it's small and compact. And one of the best features is simple. It points, shoots, detects the distance. You then point and shoot the adjacent wall, and it will automatically calculate the square footage for you, feet as well as inches. So it simply speeds up a ton of time. It's very accurate. This little guy can shoot up to 65 feet, as where a 25-foot or 35-foot tape measure will give you some troubles. One, you have furniture all around. Two, you have to mark where you stop and then continue to measure to get the full length. So let's quickly bring the camera up close, show you this up close, and then we will measure the square footage quickly in the bottom floor of this building. Here we go. Here it is. The little DeWalt inexpensive laser distance measure. Very simple. Takes AAA batteries. 2 buttons here. You have your LCD screen. You do have your laser. This device will measure square footage as well as give you distance, linear feet as well. Very easy to use. I'll point it to my left, press the button, 3 feet 6 inches. Right behind me, press the button, and it gives me the square footage. 14 square feet from here to there, the adjacent walls. Now let's quickly measure the first floor of this building. Here we go. We'll start in this office. Now that process took 5 minutes flat. Try that with a tape measure. Well, there it is. Your distance laser measure. Of course, it's not going to replace your measuring tape, but it simply makes your life easy. It's under 50 bucks. Link in the description below. It's small, compact. It measures square footage for you right on the spot. It absolutely helps to speed up time to measure for floor tile. And it's a great little tool to have in your toolbox or your truck middle console. Thank you for watching. Give this a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you on the next one.